Hello everyone! For our next craft, take a sheet of paper and then fold it over diagonally as such. Cut off the protruding edges and then fold it in to make a diamond-like shape. Once you open it, you should be left with a circular-like shape. Fold in the bottom diagonally and repeat this until all of the edges meet in the center. Open up the folds to make it into more of a diamond-like shape. Now fold the edges outwards. Puff out the circle using the lines present. For our next craft, take a sheet of paper or gift wrapping paper and then fold it over into a square. Then fold over the side edges in order to make a diamond-like shape and then fold over the top edge downwards. Now open it and then fold it according to the patterns that you have created. Join all four edges vertically and it should look as such. Make a hole in the top edge and then add a thread through it and bring it out on the other side. Repeat this process for the other edges as well until one end of the thread meets the other and then tie a knot. Voila! For our next craft, take a red sheet of paper and then fold it as such. Fold in the edges and then do the same on the other side. You should be left with two arrowheads. Now fold downwards the upper edge and fold upwards the down edge and reverse the paper and fold it as such. Fold upwards the protruding piece of paper and then fold the tail part downwards. Separate the top to make two separate ears and add eyes, and there you have it. For our next craft, take some gift wrapping paper and then fold it in half. Then fold it into narrow strips on either of the sides. Reverse the paper and repeat the process. Then fold it into half vertically and proceed to make small folds as such. Fold in the sides to make a triangular-like shape. Reverse the paper and then fold in the upper edge downwards. Fold inwards the middle edges as well. Then fold the sides inside to make sure that the edges are folded inwardly. Spread the bottom and there you should have a dress-like shape. Fold over the sides to make it more neat looking. And then pull out the top to make it look more elegant and bow-like. For our next craft, take a sheet of paper or gift wrapping paper and then fold it into a square as such. Then open up one of the sides and then fold it in order to make this shape. Fold outward the top left edge and the bottom right edge and then reverse the paper. Make a folding pattern by putting in all of the protruding edges. Now fold them downwards. Open up one of the folded edges and then using glue, stick it together. You should be left with a protruding triangle. Now with the three protruding edges that are left, fluff all three of them out by bending it inwards firstly and then bringing it out and then using your finger to fluff it out. It is a fidget spinner. For our next craft, take some gift wrapping paper and then fold it into half. Then fold in the edges to meet at the center. Fold in the sides as well to make such a pattern. Fold over the top half to make a triangle and then fold over the bottom half as well. Fold outward the edges that you have on the inside and then fold these once more to make a square-like shape. Cut the small central edge and then insert it inwards. Once again, make minute folds for the already folded edges, just so that you blunt the tip. Repeat this on all of the sides of the squares that you have and you should be left with a flower-like shape. Now fold the edges and you should have a heart. For our next craft, take a green sheet of square paper and then fold over one of the edges to make narrow strips. Do this until you reach the center and then invert the paper and then stick one edge into the other. Add some tape on top and then line it with a green sheet of paper. Thank you for watching.